Where are we going?
Oh yeah. We're about to be doing some fucking skiing, some snowboarding. It's pretty cold, which is good. We're going to Mt Baldy, baby.
I'm cold. And I'm slipping around. Why are we waiting?
So apparently there's like temperatures here. Sometimes it's one temperature, sometimes it's another temperature. So that means that the mountain's closed until further notice.
Yeah, it's already cold.
It's pretty cold already, so I don't see what the issue is because it's supposed to snowboard when it's cold. So we're gonna go for it. I think it's gonna be good.
Come on, let's go check it out.
I have no idea. You know what to do with these zip vests?
No, I don't know, but I'm falling down these fucking stairs.
How's it going, everybody? Lift is still on a delay. Copy that, no problem.
What do you do with the
coronavirus? We're gonna have to ask you guys to head down because we're not sending anybody. You guys got rentals?
Yeah, but it's up there, right?
Yeah. No, you guys, if you guys have rentals, you're allowed to go up.
Oh.
They said rentals were okay because technically they're skiing and snowboarding.
Oh, stupid as fuck.
Like on a zipper. Like if you had a zipper that has a loop, or if you like chose like that kind of, but that you might like get it. I'm really excited to be teaching these 3 snowboarders for free. It's a really great deal for me. I get the experience and the exposure points. I mean, exposure dollars for being out here.
What are you looking at?
So you can't fall off unless you try. Literally, just don't try to fall off, and you can't.
It doesn't feel safe.
Yeah.
But I guess it is because people do this.
Look at the ground. Yeah. Like,
this is how it is. You don't go that high up, huh? Now we're pretty high up.
oh, wow. That was.
So you step up to your left, you're gonna step up to your right. Thank you.
Hell yeah, thank you.
So how was that? That was a little bit.
My ears are cold.
Do you have enough clothes on, or is it?
No.
Wasn't enough.
So when you're on the board, you have to turn. You turn with your feet, flexing the board with your feet. Okay. Or edges. On a snowing, you're taking your edge and you're gliding with it. Straight forward and catch an edge, because then you'll go forward.
That was kind of cool though.
Yeah. We out here, you know, we're doing our best. I hope we...
You can't have your board like that, man. You get down there, fall down, slice yourself in half with your board.
Oh, sorry about that.
Yeah, it's just how it goes out here, man. You know, you gotta...
That was fine. It was really fun for me. Didn't fall.
No, the whole thing was bad. But you know, that's how it goes, man. You come snowboarding, you come to California, you do a little dropping, you do a little hurting their tailbone, no big deal. It's just fucking bullshit.
That's true.
Ate shit a few times, but also caught a lot of speed some other times, so.
It makes no fucking sense. They say this is a beginner's route, yet it starts off at like a 45-degree angle incline. Or what do I call that, a slope? Everyone has a problem with it. Should we start from here?
I've really learned to be one with the mountain, and you feel you don't really plan your route, you don't really see too far ahead, but you just keep going. And I've really bonded with what I felt to be the original skiers or the original snowboarders, because it's just when you're up there, you know, you think about going down as fast as possible, but by the time you get there, it's, you know, you want to go right back up and do it again. So I've learned to take every turn with grace, you know, make it meaningful. Remember every edge of the mountain, because by the time I get down, I want to feel complete, and how I spent my time with the mountain was worth it. Ow! Good day on the mountain.
All right, fucking 4 hot chocolates later. Give me my chocolate. Cheers, oh dude. Cheers.
Yes! Yes.
I'm hungry though. All right, just making sure everyone is equally starving, because I don't want to hear no shit.